HTML, hypertext markup language, it isn't a programming language, but it's just markup language. So what does this markup language mean? So HTML makes a document that is made up of web, meaning whatever the document that runs on website you visit, in the end it will be just HTML file. So browser can read HTML file. So let me just go a little bit deep into it. What is HTML looks like? HTML looks like something like this. So it consists of HTML tag and some other required tag. And most of the time as a web developer, you just need to know it includes some tags like H1, H2, H3, and maybe paragraph tag or article main, and even HTML is also one of the tag. So all these tags makes sure a website has one skeleton using which you can make sure something is displayed on the web. But just HTML, it isn't enough for us to make a website. We require something called as style shade. That is usually done using CSS. CSS means cascading style shades. It is used to make sure the website is looking beautiful. Just bare HTML document looks something like this. But if you are using CSS, you can make it look so good. You can see the interface, that is the YouTube interface if you are seeing it on YouTube. Then that time, whatever the styling is happening, right, it is happening because of CSS. So HTML is just the structure of the website, and CSS makes sure that website looks good, maybe adding certain color to it, maybe increasing the font size of some text, or maybe doing something else like styling the images, or all these things can be done using CSS. So now main question is, what kind of projects you can build using these two technologies? You can build pretty much all the website which you see online, meaning you will be able to build only interface of it, meaning you can build one website for your parents business or some neighborhood shop, and you can also build website for yourself, that's your portfolio website, or you can even build website for your school, colleges, if they allow you to do that. So learning HTML and CSS is most important thing if you are just getting started in programming world or even software development, because in the end everything runs on website. For example, if even if it is some kind of mobile app business or idea, you will still require website for it, so that people can go to that website and they can understand what is that mobile app is about. So the moment you need a website, there needs to be a web developer who knows HTML and CSS. Yes, of course, there are lots of other technologies using which you can build a website, but understanding HTML and CSS will allow you to build projects faster. So what can you do next after learning HTML and CSS? That probably you should go towards building at least 5 to 10 projects using just HTML and CSS. Maybe building website for one cafe, or even some kind of tour booking services, or some other, whatever the idea comes in your mind, just build for it so that you will get familiarized with how to work with HTML as well as CSS. Usually HTML and CSS work together. It's not like HTML is something else and it's separate from CSS. No, it's not like that. HTML will usually have something like class or ID, and using this class and ID you can target whatever the style you want to give to the website. If you're not understanding what I'm saying, don't worry, you will find lots of tutorial online. Maybe in my channel only there might be tutorial related to HTML and CSS. If not, just request me in comments. I'll make sure I'll make tutorial on it. But the thing is, if you learn HTML and CSS, then you'll be able to build a website which is just static website. After building this static website, you'll be requiring some kind of scripting language like JavaScript in order to make sure the website is interactive, meaning just think, if you hit that like button, please hit that like button, that time the like count get increased, and this happens because of JavaScript. So in order to make interactive website, it's better if you learn JavaScript also with the HTML and CSS. Yes, nowadays lots of things can be done using just HTML and CSS, because CSS got a little bit smarter, but it's always good idea to learn JavaScript also, so that you'll be able to make use of this HTML and CSS at maximum level. So that's it for this video, guys, and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any video suggestions, put in the comments box and I'll make it. So that's it for this video, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.